guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I did a super duper bright purple, pink, orange look. I asked you guys on Instagram and a lot of you guys said to do a purple and orange look. The orange went missing. It's like here, but like it's a long story. So this turned out to be a purple pink eye. I'm so sorry. The fact that I had this eye done at 5 o'clock and I only started on this eye at 11 p.m. I was fasting and then I didn't fast anymore, and then I prayed Maghrib, prayed Isha, went for a nap, and then I did the other eye. Can you see, today was a very relaxed day for me. Like, I just wanted to just have fun and do my makeup. And the amount of jokes I got from my family, like, you look like a demon. Do you put like an eye? Do you put like an eye medicine? Like, do you get punched in the face? I was like, yeah, keep going, yeah, okay. So this look was heavily inspired by Makeup by Raquel, I think that's her name. And this is the look that she did. So she did this look, which is absolutely gorgeous. I don't think I did that, but I kind of like, I got really inspired by it, definitely. So it's almost the same but like different color scheme. So yeah, if she's like somehow watching this video, which I really don't know how, you are fucking talented, girl. Like, damn. This is a colorful look. You guys can definitely go to prom with this. You guys can graduate with this eye makeup. You guys can meet your future husband wearing this makeup. You can like go to your mother-in-law and be like, look, I can blend my eyeshadow. Like, take me as your daughter-in-law, you know? So before we continue with this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. You know the deal with that. And don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, especially my Instagram. I am super duper active there. And if you guys want to know how I got this look, then just please keep on watching. So I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm going to take that dark purple shade with my Zoeva like blending brush. I'm just gonna first pack on that color onto my crease. All you want to do is pack on. It's okay if it's messy, it's fine. And then here I forgot to put on a scotch tape, so I put that on first. And then I'm just gonna continuously pack on that dark purple shade. Don't care about blending at this point. And then we're gonna go into this dark reddish raspberry color, and we're gonna put it right on top of that dark purple to give like a nice transition from like a dark purple to like this like reddish, and then to this hot pink. We're gonna take this hot pink and we're gonna put it right above that raspberry shade, and it's gonna be very near your eyebrows, so please be careful not to make it go too high. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blend all of that with my blending brush again. This whole entire technique is blending, guys. Like, blending is key to making this eye look snatched. Okay, and then next I'm going to go into this dark black eyeshadow, and I'm going to take that with an angled brush, and I'm going to first put it to the side of the scotch tape and bring that into my crease, and like making it look like a cut crease sort of look. And then I'm just going to blend that out first. What this does is it makes the purple become even more darker and more like oomph, like bitch, like I got you, like my purple is darker than black, like it's dark, it's a dark purple black. So then I'm going to take all those raspberry and a hot pink and just blend that out onto my crease. Next, I'm going to take my Colourpop concealer and I'm just going to carve out my crease. And I'm just going to carve out, like, girl, I had to cut this down because, girl, it was taking too long. And then going back into that dark black shade with that same angle brush, all you want to do is you want to carve back that crease out, making sure not to hit that concealer, because I'm still keeping that concealer wet to make sure that it looks really vibrant when I put on the other shades. Now, and then I'm going to go into this dark purple eyeshadow, the one in that BH Cosmetics palette. I'm going to put it to the side of the cut crease and then put in that black to have like a blackened purple. And what you're going to do is you're just going to blend that out to make it look very seamless. And then going into my Juvia's palette, the Masquerade palette, I'm going to take that dark purple shade and just applying it right next to that darkened purple. And then we're going to go into Colourpop's Golden State of Mind and take that raspberry pink shade and just applying that right at the, like, right beside it. And what you can see, I'm doing squiggling motion, as you guys can see. I'm wiggling that pink and that purple together so that the color would mesh together. And then I'm going to take that whitish blue shade and just applying it like right beside. And again, I'm just going to wiggle it and taking that golden color and that light champagne gold, and I'm gonna put that golden color right beside it, and then that champagne color in the inner corners. And what I'm doing now is I'm just gonna continuously blend this whole entire eye look. And then I took that black and purple shade again, and just to carve out that crease, making sure that it looks nice, and taking that hot pink shade, I'm just gonna blend it through my crease even more. And then you can remove the scotch tape and reveal your masterpiece, okay? So yeah, that's done. So I've already applied the lashes, so let's move on to the face. I know this look is very dramatic. So for primer, I'm going to be using my Australia's Matte Out Mattifying Face Base, because like, what kind of other primers am I using? Let's be honest. You know, when this primer, I whipped out this primer, you know this is the nighttime. You know? This eye looks a bit like not as nice as this eye in my opinion, but maybe it's just me. For foundation, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Paris, what did I say weirdly? L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Foundation, and I'm in the shade 108. I said quite a couple of times this color is very dark for me, so I've been loving to do this technique recently, which is buffing out my foundation with my kabuki brush. This is a Zoeva 104 buffer brush, and then go back in with my blending pearl by Zavenly. I mean Brina Beauty, sorry. I get it from Zavenly. You guys remember I used to use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer as my mirror before it broke? I have no idea how I did that last time, because even with this Jeffree Star one that is like humongous, I still feel like it's so small and I can't see my whole face. I don't know how I used to do that last time. I'm impressed. And then I'm gonna cream contour after not cream contouring for like the longest time. I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty matchsticks in Mocha. You guys know I don't really contour my nose. I'm taking my Zoeva 110 face shape, but I don't know, but I feel like if I contour my nose, it'll just look nicer. It just looks more like snatched. I've been watching James Charles' video, and he was showing how he face tunes his nose, and I was like, and how he face tuned his subscribers' nose, and I'm like, bitch, he snatched that nose from a I wouldn't say a 0, that's so mean, but from like a 5 to like a 10. I was like, that nose though, snatched. Then for concealer, I'm gonna take my L'Oreal. I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Creamy Beige. I was watching Laura Lee and Gabby, the Gabby show's like video when they collabed, and she was talking about how like, I don't understand how these girls, they don't have like fucking crease underneath their eyes, and I'm like, right, I don't get it. And I was like, maybe I genuinely thought it was like photoshopped, and then she was like, and then Laura said, no, that's why YouTubers get fillers. And I was like, the fucking tea. But low-key, I'm gonna filler now, you know. I can't stand when I have creases underneath my eye. So for my under eye, I'm gonna take my Australia's Ready Set Go finishing powder in transparent. Sorry, true translucent. Ever since this powder, I've always been scared to try out new drugstore ones, because I'm so scared it's just gonna leave like a white mark underneath my eye like this one. Like, if you've been in my position, you understand. So for highlight, I'm going to be using my Marc Jacobs Do You Dewdrops. I know they came out with a new one, but that's like really dark, and I definitely cannot pull that off for a fact. For a fact. Alright, so I've already set my face because I thought that was boring. I didn't want you guys to know, but I was using the L'Oreal True Match powder. And then for bronzer, I'm going to use my Catrice Cosmetics Professional Contouring Palette with the Zoeva 101 Luxe Face Definer. I'm just going to... I thought this was a mirror. I'm just going to bronze up my skin using this. Although my skin is really, really dark compared to my neck. I just can't not do this. I feel like it just warms up my skin and it just looks nicer. I don't know. But I'm just going to do it very lightly, so it doesn't overpower too much. To contour my cheekbones, I'm going to take my e.l.f. contouring blush and bronzer. Taking that bronzer, obviously I'm not going to take the blush to fucking contour. Okay. Just like that. Taking that same Australia's powder because it has a really nice white finish. So I think it will look the best, in my opinion at least, to really carve out that area. And with this, you can actually pull it higher or lower depending on what you want. So this side, I feel like my contour went really, really low. So I'm just gonna push it up. I'm taking my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush in Mood Exposure. I got this as a birthday present. If I already uploaded the birthday haul, then you guys would have known. But if I have not, I got this as a present from my cousins. Thank you guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit. It's my first time using it. I'm like shook and scared at the same time. Because how if it's like so pigmented, you know?
Ooh, this color is...
I feel like it goes with the eye makeup because it has a bit of a mauvey purple undertone. For a highlight, I'm going to use a highlight that I have not used in like a really long time. This is MAC Oh Darling Extra Dimension. This came out in a collection, I want to say 2 or a year ago. I'm not really sure, but I'm going to use that. Did I cry? Is it normal to cry about a highlight? Or is it a bit too much? Because personally I think it's fine. Oh my god. And I wanted lips to be like mauvey pink because of the eye look. I want it to match. So I'm gonna mix this too. This is Jeffree Star Human Nature with Christmas Cookie. I'm just gonna apply it straight first and then I'm gonna blend it out. We'll see how it goes. If it looks too much, I will remove it. Alright, so this is the completed look. Oh my god, I finally did a super colorful makeup look that I've been wanting to do for the longest time. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye! Mwah.